Can you share mum-mums?
You share your mum-mums with Taylor? Can you share with Taylor, Sammy?
Can you share mum-mums? That wasn't sharing.
You can dance? You can dance?
Yeah, dance, baby Sammy.
Yeah,
there we go.
There you go.
How big is Sammy? What are you doing? You're a ham.
At this yoga class.
So Sammy, you don't want to share your mum-mums?
You share with Taylor. Where's Taylor?
You want to share with Mommy or Taylor?
You share with Taylor.
Share mum-mums? Can you share mum-mums?
You can share?
Oh, psych.
She's